Hello, ma'am. My name is Dhaval Pandav. I am from collegedinner.com. A very warm welcome to our interview series, which is called Thoughts on Education, where we interview with the various dignitaries such as owners, VCs, principals, HODs, and teachers. Before I proceed with this interview, I would request you to give brief introduction about yourself, ma'am.
Okay. Hello. I am Professor Ria Bellel. I'm a assistant professor at Sri L.R. Tiwari Law College. I am an alumni of MNLU Bombay. I have done my PG diploma in IPR, and this is my second year in academics. Before this, I have worked with corporates also. So I have been in the field for quite a few years now.
It was really nice knowing about you and your experience, ma'am. So my first question is, you have held key position at Education Institute throughout your professional career. So what keeps you connected with the education sector, and how has been your experience so far with this college?
Okay, so for me, academics was something which I took a big leap from, coming from corporates, switching to academics, which was, one hammer, last hammer on the stone was that I get to address a class. So the interactive part that happens in the class, knowing what today's generation, thinks about, the updates that we get, what is happening in the fraternity. So the lifestyle altogether that academics gives me as a professor was one of the main, I can say, luring point for me to switch to academics.
Being the professor at L.R. Tiwari College of Law, what are your roles and responsibilities, ma'am?
Me specifically, I would like to say you that all the professors have a divided role. Okay, so along with the academics, we have other factors also to look upon, like the cultural part, the research part, there's examination. So I individually am more involved with the examination department. So my key role is as an examination coordinator. Along with the lectures, I take upon responsibilities related to conducting examination and related.
Do you have any extracurriculum activity or program to enhance the skills of students?
Here in this college, I think law college prospectively, when we are talking about law schools, extracurricular activities are, we can say, a crucial part in development. So developing the skills of presenting their arguments, the body language, client counseling. So we have multiple activities which is included even in the curriculum itself. Other than that, we have moot courts, we have client counseling sessions, we have jail visits, we have court visits for students.
How does the curriculum of L.R. Tiwari ensure that students are preparing for the future?
We here specifically from this academic, here we have a clear objective to push our students more towards research. Since we know legal fraternity research is one of the important aspect for them, so we are pushing them to get their papers published. We are conducting training sessions, workshop on how to write the research papers. This is one of the activity that we as a college has taken up this particular academic year.
What are the interventions and approaches you bring apart from these subjects to prepare students?
Apart from this, as I said, there's a lot of small miniature parts. We try them, develop their skills, like moot courts to prepare them. Then the sessions, training sessions for them, workshops from them. Other than this, we also try and understand that this being a college, cultural aspect of college is also very important for their development. So we have a cultural committee. Other activities like dance, music is also promoted here.
Any suggestion you would like to give to the current youth and aspiring students?
For me, who has always been in a legal fraternity, my advice to law students is read. The more you read, you get to know. Don't limit yourself to the books that university is suggesting. Read beyond that. Read books, read blogs, read news articles. So my only one mantra to today's law student is read. Read more.
It was pleasure talking to you and interviewing thoughts on education, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you.